The next topic is food web. What is food web? Network of food chains is called food web, or interconnected matrix of food chain is called food web. Let us see what are the characteristic features of food web. Number 1, food webs are never straight. जैसे food chain थी, it goes in one direction only and it is always straight, but food webs are never straight. They are formed by interlinking of food chains. Let us see कैसे बनते हैं. They are formed by interlinking of food chains. से हमने ये बना लिया. There are water plants, grasses, herbs, and trees, bushes. These are the green plants. Water plants, they are eaten up by insects, or we can say insect larva. Insect larva is eaten by fish. Fish is eaten by bird. Bird can be eaten by the tiger. This is one food chain. दूसरी food chain, insects, they can also be eaten up by frog. Frog can be eaten by snake. Snake can be eaten by vulture. Grasses and herbs can be eaten by birds. Birds are eaten by snake. Grasses and herbs are eaten by the rat. Rat is eaten by the snake. Rat is also eaten by the cat. Rat is also eaten by the vulture. Arrow जरूर लगाना है आगे. Now, the grasses and herbs, they are eaten by rabbit. Rabbit is eaten by cat. Cat is eaten by wolf. Cat can be directly eaten by the tiger. Wolf can be eaten by the tiger. Rabbit can be eaten by the wolf. Trees and bushes, they are eaten by deer. Deer is eaten by wolf. Deer can be directly eaten by the tiger also. Trees and bushes, they are eaten by sheep. Sheep is eaten by wolf. Sheep can be directly eaten by tiger also. So there are several food chains which are interconnected, and these represent a food web. These are never straight. They are formed by interlinking of food chain. They provide alternate pathway of food availability. यानी snake को अगर frog available नहीं है तो it can eat a bird and rat or so on. Greater is the number of alternate pathways, more stable is the ecosystem. And these food webs, they help in development of ecosystem. Now, the next topic is biological magnification. Biological magnification means increase in concentration of non-biodegradable substances in successive levels of a food chain is called biological magnification. Let us explain with the help of an example. This example, that is, consider a food chain. Food chain, aquatic food chain, where we can see in a water body there are phytoplanktons. Phytoplanktons are eaten up by the zooplanktons. Zooplankton is eaten by small fish. Small fish is eaten by large fish. And the large fish is eaten by the bird called heron. Phytoplanktons which are present in the water body, these are eaten up by zooplanktons. These are zooplanktons. Zooplankton is eaten up by small fish. Small fish is eaten up by a large fish. Large fish is eaten by the bird. This is the fish eaten up by the bird. Say the water body is polluted और इसमें जो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस की कंसंट्रेशन कितनी थी? इट वाज 0.06 parts per million. When this water, when these phytoplanktons they were eaten by zooplanktons, तो जितने फाइटोप्लैंक्टन जूप्लैंक्टॉन्स ने खाए वो सारे नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस उनकी बॉडी में एक्यूमुलेट हो गए एंड द कंसंट्रेशन से इट बिकम 0.25 parts per million. All the zooplanktons which were eaten up by the small fish, they get accumulated in the body of small fish, and the concentration of pesticide or insecticide or any other non-biodegradable substance, say it reached up to 4.5 parts per million. All the small fish which were eaten up by the large fish, और उनकी बॉडी में जितने भी नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस थे वो अब कहाँ चले गए? They get accumulated in the body of large fish, and say the concentration increased up to 16.45 parts per million. All the large fish which were eaten up by the bird, और जितने उनमें थे नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल सब्सटेंसेस, नाउ दे आर ट्रांसफर्ड टू द बॉडी ऑफ हेरॉन एंड देयर कंसंट्रेशन इंक्रीज्ड अप टू 240 parts per million. ये जो नंबर लिखे हैं यही नंबर लिखने ज़रूरी नहीं है, बट what you can write down any number, लेकिन there should be a increase इन द नंबर. अगर आप बायोलॉजिकल मैग्नीफिकेशन का एग्जाम्पल ले रहे हैं तो ये जो 0.06 ये कंसंट्रेशन जो है ये इंक्रीज होनी दिखनी चाहिए. दूसरी चीज़ क्या है कि आप जो नंबर यहाँ लिखेंगे वही नंबर आपके एग्जाम्पल में थ्योरी में भी होना चाहिए कि फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स की, सपोज फाइटोप्लैंक्टॉन्स दे आर ग्रोइंग इन अ वाटर बॉडी with the concentration of non-biodegradable substance, it is 0.06 parts per million. Zooplanktons which feed upon phytoplanktons, the concentration of pesticide increases up to 0.25 parts per million. In small fish which feeds upon the zooplanktons, the concentration of pesticides reaches up to 4.5 parts per million. The large fish which feeds upon small fish, the concentration of pesticide increases up to 16.45 parts per million, and birds who eat the large fish show biological magnification up to 240 parts per million. So this is biological magnification, that is increase in concentration of non-biodegradable substances in successive levels of a food chain. This process is called biological magnification.